Hello, I am Jairan F. Ordonio, graduated in Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management with a comprehensive understanding in accounting principles and practices. Over the past 2 years, I have honed my skills in both accounting and bookkeeping, gaining experience in financial record keeping, reconciliation, financial reporting, accurate data entry, and compliance management. I take pride in my attention to detail and proactive approach to problem solving, which helps me identify quickly and address discrepancies. I am also a certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor and Xero Certified Pro Advisor with a strong passion for providing bookkeeping and accounting. In addition to my technical skills, I bring strong organizational abilities, a keen eye for a detail, and a commitment to maintaining the highest standards for financial integrity. And lastly, communication skills. I am eager to continue expanding my knowledge and skills in both accounting and bookkeeping. And I am committed to delivering highest quality work. That's all. Thank you.